Now after disconnecting your device from the PC, the next thing which you need to do is that you need to reboot your device. In order to do that, just hit the power button to switch off your device, then again hold the volume down, volume up and the power button all together at the same time, and this time go down to the last option, which is BP tools, and then select it. Now as soon as you select it, it will say a customer ID error on the top. This is because you guys just erased your CID. Now after you guys are confirmed that your device is working fine, then again you need to switch off your device and go back into AP fastboot mode again. And once inside this AP fastboot mode, just connect it to your PC.
Now again, after connecting your device to the PC while your device is in AP fastboot mode, again you have to open the command prompt window by holding the shift button and doing a right click from the mouse, and from there selecting open command window, and then this time copy the last code, paste it in the command window and then hit enter. Now once that's done, then disconnect your device.
Now after disconnecting your device, the next thing which you need to do is switch off your device by hitting the power button. Then again go into boot menu mode and choose BP tools again. And when your phone is about to reboot, click on the Android icon and choose Custom Recovery. Double tap on it to select it. Now once inside the recovery, first of all, factory reset your device by going into wipe and clean. First wipe data, then wipe cache, and then wipe Dalvik cache. After that, go into mounts and format, go down to mount system, select it, and then mount data also. Then go back, go into install a zip package. First go into change zip file location and choose microSD, then install a zip package and first install the Jelly Bean OTA. Now after the zip has installed, the OTA has installed, you again have to choose install a zip package, and this time you need to install the GSM patch, Jelly Beans GSM patch. Now after installing the GSM patch, go into System Keeper. First click on Install Boot Menu Hijack. and then go back, go to reboot options, switch off your device. Now again open boot menu mode and reboot using BP tools. And there we go. Now we have the Droid Razer's boot animation on our device. This is because we have put the US version's Jelly Bean on our GSM Razer. And now when the phone will boot up, it will boot up directly into Jelly Bean. And now we have Jelly Bean installed in this device. So I'll just set up my device and then show you guys the Jelly Bean. And now we have a working Jelly Bean installed on the Razer. I'll go into system settings and show you guys. You can see that this is a GSM Razer and you can see the system version is now changed to the one which you find on the Droid Razer in the US, and the Android version is 4.1.2. Here we go. We can also see that we now have got Google Now installed on this phone. Even the notification bar has changed. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.